When your Midea portable air conditioner starts freezing up, it's not just an inconvenience, it's a sign that something needs attention. Understanding why this happens will help you prevent future issues. Your Midea AC has a built-in safety mechanism. When ice starts forming on the coils, the unit automatically switches to fan mode to allow the frost to thaw, protecting the internal components from damage. But what causes this freezing in the first place? There are 7 main culprits that can trigger this safety response. The most common cause is a dirty air filter. When the filter gets clogged with dust and debris, it restricts airflow over the evaporator coils. This causes the coils to become too cold and ice begins to form. Clean your filter every 2 weeks during peak usage periods. Dirty coils are another major culprit. When dust and debris accumulate on the evaporator and condenser coils, they can't transfer heat efficiently. Several other factors can also cause freezing. Low refrigerant levels from leaks, blocked airflow from kinked hoses, operating in cold weather, thermostat malfunctions, and clogged drain pipes. The 7th cause is a clogged drain pipe. When water can't drain properly, it can freeze near the evaporator coil, creating additional ice buildup. If your Midea AC is currently frozen, here's what you need to do immediately. Turn off the unit, unplug it from power, and allow it to thaw completely before inspecting the filter and coils. Keep in mind that newer Midea models may have self-cleaning features that help reduce some of these maintenance issues. However, regular filter cleaning and proper maintenance are still essential for optimal performance. When your Midea air conditioner is frozen, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to safely resolve the issue. Step 1. Immediately turn off and unplug your air conditioner. This is crucial for safety and prevents further damage to the unit. Step 2. Remove and clean the air filter. A dirty filter is the most common cause of freezing. Clean it every 4 to 6 months for optimal performance. Step 3. Inspect the evaporator and condenser coils for dust, debris, or ice buildup. Clean coils are essential for proper heat transfer and preventing freezing. Step 4. Examine the exhaust hose for kinks, bends, or blockages. Proper airflow through the hose is critical for the unit to function correctly. Step 5. Verify your thermostat settings. Set the temperature 5 degrees lower than the current room temperature for effective cooling without overworking the system. Step 6. Check for accumulated water and drain if necessary. If you see a P1 error code, this indicates a full water tank or block drainage system that needs immediate attention. Step 7. If ice is present, allow the unit to thaw completely before restarting. This may take several hours, but it's essential for preventing damage to the system. Step 8. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the freezing issue, it may indicate a refrigerant leak or thermostat malfunction. Contact a qualified HVAC technician for professional diagnosis and repair. Following these 8 systematic troubleshooting steps will help you safely resolve most freezing issues with your Midea air conditioner. Remember to prioritize safety and don't hesitate to contact professionals when needed.